Up first this evening, hours before the government's January 1 ban on single-use plastic takes effect, an extension for continued use by some business operators.
The extension comes despite the government last week insisting that no one will be granted an exemption or extension.
The government used a press briefing on Monday to announce industry support while calling for consumer support as well. After the September announcement of the planned ban on single-use plastics as of January 1, 2019, there was pushback from manufacturers and retailers. They argued then that the timeline was too short, but the government insisted there would be no extension or exemption. However, on Monday, Minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister, Daryl Vaz, announced a change in that stance.
There are some businesses which have yet to receive their alternative packaging supplies and have small amounts in stock. We have seen evidence of their shipping arrival to become available in late January to February. Based on international trade system, to avoid breakdown and dislocation in the system, we are allowing these companies that have small stocks to use them until their supplies arrive.
The change follows several meetings between the government and business sector representatives, including one Monday morning. According to Minister Vaz, delaying the ban was not an option, and so the compromise was reached.
I think that what we have been able to do based on this morning's meeting has been able to address some of the possible dislocation that could have been caused with the transition of packaging that would be coming in as against what is here now.
After that latest talk, Mr. Vaz said he was pleased with the estimated 90% support from stakeholders despite some concern. Sector group heads agreed.
We think that with the assistance of the minister and the senator and the government, we have arrived at a compromise. So we are in support.
I also thank the government for listening to us this morning and taking the concerns of business into account and balancing between business interests and the environment.
The call now is for the rest of Jamaica to support the initiative as much as possible.
What I'm asking this morning, Jamaica, is for partnership. Partnership, partnership, and partnership.
It is a start of a new Jamaica, and this will require all of us to make changes in the way we live and the way we do things. It will require us to do things differently and to ensure that we leave a better Jamaica for future generations.